Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing Curvify Hip Enhancement Drops, a supplement claiming to enhance hip size and shape naturally. We tested it and here's what we found. Curvify claims that herbal drops can influence hormones and fat distribution to give a fuller hip and thigh area. After consistent testing, we found no noticeable change in hip size or shape. While we did notice a slight boost in energy and appetite regulation, there was no evidence that the product actually delivered physical body shaping results. The pros are that it's easy to use, doesn't taste bad, and contains mostly natural herbs. The cons are that it does not fulfill its main claim. It's overpriced for what it delivers, and there's no real scientific backing for hip enhancement via drops. Overall, Curvify Hip Enhancement Drops feel more like a placebo than a true enhancement supplement. We can confidently say this product does not do what it promises. This has been How to Literally Keep Things Smart and Simple and Scam Free.